Hey guys, it's Alicia and I am here with another video to show you guys how I planned and decorated for a retirement party for one of my beloved co-workers. We have been planning this for a few weeks now, and me and a few other co-workers, I am in charge of the decorating, and I just wanted to take you guys on this journey with me to show you how I planned, prepped, created for this retirement party. I am super excited and I'm so happy for her. We are celebrating her working 40 years in one of our biggest hospital systems here in our area. So I'm going to show you guys, I just got 2 packages from Amazon today and I'm going to show you guys what I ordered. So hold on. This is package number 1. I opened it already with the kids because they wanted to help me open it. So we opened it earlier, but I'm just showing you guys what we got. I get so excited when I order from Amazon. Oh my God. Even though I know what it is. So anyway, we're going to cut this open and I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to cut anything. Oh, these are the purple sequin curtains that I bought for the backdrop. I'm so excited about it. And they put a little letter in here, a letter for you. And this is from the CEO of the company. So they send you this little cute little heart with a note on it. And this is from Shiny Beauty is the company that that this is manufactured from. So I brought 2 purple sequin curtains because I want to do the backdrop. Look how pretty that is. And it's really long. I bought it long, 2 feet by 8. So this is going to be on the backdrop. Because we got one of our other co-workers brought a retirement banner. So we're going to have a banner that says Happy Retirement, and then these are going to be the sequence curtains that I'm going to decorate with the banner. And I did buy some gold ones too, so that's probably hopefully in the other box, but I did buy 2 of these. I'm not going to open the second one right now. No, you know what? As a matter of fact, I am going to open it because I need to make sure that it's nothing's wrong with it. I would definitely recommend when you order things offline to definitely open it when you get it in case there's any sort of defects, so that if there are, you have time to return it and hopefully get another one and replace the defect in time for your event. So this is the second one. I love how neat they fold these things. I never can get it back neat like that. So this is the second curtain, purple sequence curtain that I ordered from Shiny Beauty, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love sequins. This is a little see-through, more than I would have liked, but I think that's just how these sequins fabrics are. You are going to get a bit of shedding from the curtain, so it's okay. That just happens. They're going to come off. I bought some Happy Retirement decals, so that's what this is. Okay, I'm going to open it just to show you guys what they say. They have some cute sayings on here. I love it. Me and her joke all the time, so I'm like a jokester with her. And so yes, we joke all the time. We have a good time. They say little cute things for people who are retiring. Steel the balls. And then you have, it's like paper mache that fans out like that. So that's cute. And it says adventure begin. And this is one of my favorites. Goodbye 9 to 5. I don't know why, I think that's just so, I just can't wait to say that myself. Which I hope I don't have to work 40 years to say that, because I really want to retire early, or, you know. And then this one says 7-day weekend. So cute, I love these. This one says happy retirement. And this one says lazy time. But we all know Miss Vivian, she is not gonna sit down. So this retirement is not I hope that she enjoys herself and that she does take some time off for herself. A little note that says thank you for your purchase. These are so cute. If any of the companies are watching my little channel, I love getting these thank you cards. So this is something that I would keep in mind if you are a seller. Definitely thank you cards. It just adds a little bit more. It kind of feels more personable when you get like a thank you card, you know. Package number 2. So let's see what's in here. Let's save these for my children. They love popping these. Oh yes. So I bought gold flowers. Now this is very untraditional, but I really wanted to stick with the gold and purple theme. So I bought some of these flowers to embellish some of the centerpieces and stuff that I'm going to record later and show you guys what my plan is for that. But that's what these are. These are gold flowers. 30-pack gold artificial silk rose flower. That's what these are. Okay. These are my purple garlands. I'm so excited. So for one of the centerpieces that I'm doing, oh my God, it's going to be amazing. You know what? I just want to shout out a lot of these YouTubers. The decorators, the interior designers, the DIYers, because you guys have so many good ideas, and then you can turn it around and you can make it affordable for people who don't want to spend $100 on a centerpiece. You know, it's so amazing, a lot of the things that I see that people are making. And I'm definitely, in my videos with me doing my centerpiece, I'm definitely want to shout out everybody that I got inspiration from, because I want to pay homage and thank you so much for showing your amazing talents and making it, breaking it down and making it so a person like me who loves to decorate and do DIY, so I can do that and have that and offer that to people that I love. And just so it's amazing. It's amazing. So anyway, back to this. So I bought 2 purple flower garlands because I haven't, this is for a centerpiece that I have that I'm going to be doing. So I'm super excited about it. It's I think 5 garlands. So, well, the purple isn't exactly the kind of purple I wanted, but we'll just work with it. So I think they say, I think in the description these were 5 feet long, and it's 5 of them. So I brought 2 packs because I really want the centerpiece to be full with flowers. So this is going to be the garland that I'm going to be using for that particular centerpiece. But don't worry, if you keep watching, I'm going to tell you my designs and what I plan on doing. So this is the garland. That purple looks really, really pretty on camera. It really, really does. I'm not mad at it. It was affordable. We're gonna make it look good. And like I said, I brought 2 packs of these. It's 5 in a pack, so I have 10 because I really wanted my centerpiece to be full. So that's what that is gonna be for. Okay, so these are some balloons that I brought, and these also have a lot of retirement phrases on there. I think some say happy retirement. I can't remember exactly what all they say, but you'll see me blowing these up and getting them together for the party. So I'm super excited. And this is actually a 48 pieces of 12-inch balloons. So this was a good deal to me. I think I paid $11 for these. So that was pretty good. This, I just wanted some confetti to put around the tables, and they are black and gold 40s to represent the 40 years that she contributed to society by working. Okay, so the last thing, yeah, these are probably the gold sequence curtains. So I'm gonna be careful while cutting this so I don't cut my product. Yes, it is, and I bought 2 of these too, so I'm gonna open them just to check them, make sure that they are okay. And this is from the same company, Shiny Beauty. Oh, this gold is really pretty. I really like this gold. It looks kind of yellowish on the camera, and it did when I ordered it, but it is a very pretty gold. Now, okay, I was about to say, I don't see the part that can be put on the rod. So anyway, this is the part that you would stick the rod through.